there, this is Chinkitan, also known as Mr. Chink Positive. For the topic for today is, hindi mo dapat mangopya, hindi ka dapat mangopya. Naranasan mo na ba na ikaw ay mahilig sumabay sa uso, sa mga grupo, sa mga friends mo? Yung bang kung anong meron ang mga friends mo, gusto mo rin magkaroon. Kung anong gagawin nila, gagawin mo rin. At minsan, na-feel mo, pag hindi mo sila natutularan, ikaw ay na-out of place. My suggestion to you is this: if you're feeling that way, huwag mong pilitin na maging tulad ng iba. Bakit? Because there are two reasons. Number one reason is because you and I are unique. God created us to be unique, na wala tayong similarities. Imagine mo, no? Nagpapasalamat ba tayo kay Lord na wala tayong kamukha? Imagine mo kung katabi mo ay kamukha mo. Parang siya ba? Magkakaroon ka ng identity crisis. Wala tayong katulad. At meron tayong kaiiba, di ba? Even though identical twins pa nga, magkapatid, na kakambal, meron pa rin pagbabago. And the worst thing that can happen for anyone is trying to be someone that you are not. Imagine, if you are like, for example, ikaw ay organized na tao, di ba? At gusto mong planado lahat ang mga iyong ginagawa, planado ang iyong buhay, planado ang iyong araw, planado ang iyong budget, ang iyong paggastos. Pero dahil kung gusto mong maging in sa isang grupo, no? Maging sosyalera, or let's say maging in sa grupo nila, mapipilitan ka na gawin yung mga bagay na ginagawa nila. And in the process, baka mag-overspend ka, maging gastadora ka. Probably they can afford it, but the question is, can you afford it? Yes, you have gained friend, but in the process, you've lost your identity. Yung sino ka ba? Nawawala yung totoong ikaw eh. Nabubuhay ka. In other words, that's the fake version of yourself. So again, do not try to copy because you are unique. Second reason is what? You have your own values, and I do believe values are worth keeping. Bawat isa sa atin ay may pinanghahawakan tayong mga prinsipyo sa buhay. At may ilan po sa atin na minsan nabebenta po natin, nasa shortchange po natin sarili, yung values po natin just to fit again in the crowd. Na minsan napipilitan tayong gumawa ng mga bagay na kahit labag sa ating loob. Especially in work, di ba? Just to, again, create the sales. Diba? Minsan nape-pressure tayo to do the wrong things. And probably sometimes nako-compromise po yung tinatawag natin katapatan natin or integrity. And you know what? At first naman parang feeling mo okay lang yun because you're part of the group. But in the long term, it will not help you. It will not benefit you. Yun ang dalawang factors na nakikita ko. Kaya dapat hindi natin pilitin, no, ang ating mga sarili para makibagay sa mga ibang tao. Again, uulitin ko, we are all unique. Hindi tayo naman dapat na i-reject dahil hindi tayo kapareho nila. At hindi naman dapat natin baguhin ang ating sarili para matanggap lang tayo ng isang circle of friends po natin. For sure, let me tell you this. May nilaan ang Diyos para sa iyo na mga grupong kaibigan na maunawaan ka, na mamahalin ka, natatanggapin ka for who you are. And I do believe also that you don't have to compromise and sell your values and your integrity in order for you to be accepted and get what you want in life. We need to take care good of our values at hayaan po natin na darating ang panahon, hindi tao magpo-promote sa atin, hindi tao magbe-bless sa atin, in this institution, ang magbe-bless at magpo-promote po sa atin ay walang iba kundi ang Diyos. I hope na in this short session, I am able to enlighten you that you don't have to compromise your standard and you don't have to try to fit in to other people in order for you to be accepted. Ang parati kong sinasabi, ang taong gaya-gaya ay insecure. This is Chinkitan saying, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always, Chink Positive.